So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today you join me inside the new BMW X3 and we are in the big dog, that is the M50. So this video comes courtesy of Car Sales Exclusive. Do check out all their socials, which I'll leave down in the description below. They have an amazing inventory of cars for sale, and one of them is this X3 M50. So we're gonna take it for a quick drive around the block and then make our way to the dealership. So I know in a POV drive you guys just wanna know how the car performs, especially when it's a performance car. And I'll also engage manual mode. Now we're in manual. Let's go. So let's get the stats out of the way. Actually, let's do a pull away here. Let's go. So this car is powered by the infamous B58 3-liter inline 6 turbocharged, of course. It's a single twin scroll turbo and it's pumping out 280 kilowatts, but it also has a mild hybrid setup and that delivers an extra 13 kilowatts. So in total 293 kilowatts. And 580 Newton meters of torque. And man, I have to say, this thing does get up on its feet. So I'll have a quick acceleration here. I mean, for everyday use, something you can drive around to the shops, go on the school run, or drive it to work and stuff, and to also have this amount of performance at your disposal. There aren't many cars that can beat this package. Man. And being a BMW, it drives and feels like a BMW top to bottom, whatever that means actually. But what I mean is the way it handles, the way it's able to pick up its weight, the engagement of the driving feel and all. Like, it's a proper BMW. Man. Downshifts are not the fastest. This being an 8-speed auto, it's a ZF, not a dual clutch. But on a car like this, doesn't really matter. It's fine, man. As long as when you put your foot down, it goes like stink. That's all you need. So yeah, to approach the car is a bit overwhelming, especially the interior, all the techy bits. You're like, how do I control all the different functionalities? Like with all cars, man, it's gonna take you some time to get used to the whole car, get accustomed to the different systems and how everything works. So yeah, for someone like me, coming in today to do a review for about 2 hours, man, yeah, this was one of those cars that were very, very intimidating. Like this control that you find here on the door, it's just a lot, man. Oh, the upshifts are really, really quick. I'll demonstrate now. Just have a look. Let's go. Shift. They're really, really fast. Yeah, the downshifts are a bit sluggish, but I don't think it matters all that much. So yeah, that is the X3 M50. And remember, this won SA Car of the Year, like the new gen X3 in general. And I kind of see why, like the whole package, the ride comfort, the tech that it comes with, the engine offerings. It just delivers so much. That heads-up display as well, one of the biggest I've seen in any car. And the graphics on it are so cool. There are some cars, when you're just driving in a chilled manner like this, still engaging, still feels fun. This is not really one of those, but I think for a good reason. This is mainly still just a family car, although it does have some proper performance-oriented setup. I'm pretty sure the suspension on this is different from the regular 20i, 20D models and stuff. Oh. What I will say though is the engine note, it's just sounds so good. Okay, the road has opened up a bit here. Let's go. Oh man. This car really is fun to drive. Like, you can easily forget that you're in a full-on SUV. Oh man, that engine note sounds so good. And the tone of it, the tone of this B58 in this car specifically sounds different from like in the M140i. So I think this is an entirely different generation of the B58 motor. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I think BMW certainly makes some of the coolest cars right now. I mean, the brand BMW M as a whole, when you look at all their offerings, they're so hard to beat. They're so hard to beat at the moment. Let's give it a go here. I mean, to say this car is fast is just an understatement, because it really, really, really goes. So we're literally sitting on 18 kilometers of range right now. I had some range anxiety earlier, but I think now I'm fine because the dealership is about 2 kilometers away at this point. So we should make it fine. It gets up to speed so quickly. So there seems to be a bit of a bridge underpass. So let's hear how the B58 sounds from under there. I'll do a downshift here. So, since we have a bit of room here, we'll do one last acceleration and call it a day. It is just so fun to drive this car. It's a pity it's quite busy now. But yeah, that is it from me to you guys today with the BMW X3 M50. The voice command system, I think, just picked up on me saying BMW. It's literally typing out my words.
I didn't understand you again.
Cancel. So go on my mode, put it back into efficient, and we'll chill for this last stint. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV, and until next time, that's cheers from me.